see that in different industries, organizations are interested to apply Agile ideas. Very different stories, but all very interesting, and I love to see the ideas being shared, people discussing, and see how these things develop further on.
The goal is to get products and services out to our customers faster. Higher quality, more availability, innovation, and all of those things require Agile practices. Got a very enthusiastic audience. It looks like there's a lot of work being done in a variety of companies.
Continuous reorganization, rethinking how should we redo this. Focus, but also set goals for innovation.
There is future for Agile in hardware, because now I've seen certain examples in hardware company like ASML, which has been working wonders for us. But there are also other challenges that has come on the surface now, which we want to tackle from time to time. We see a definite way of working there.
Communicate open with anyone, with your team members and team leaders, and be very pragmatic. It doesn't work, change it. Just try something else. And that is exactly what we did, and I think in half a year we got very far with this transformation.
This is not something for textbooks. You need to try it. Then I would say observe, observe and observe and adapt. That is, I think, the pillars for introducing it. And be a little bit patient.